March 24, 2019. I do not weep anymore. I do not weep anymore. Does this mean I remember you less? I do not weep anymore. Because when you rested from cares, I began to see more life in my life. I cannot help but see your goodness and be forgetful of your misgivings. I breathe the air more deeply because you are the wind blowing gently. I stare at the garden more intently because you are the grass growing perennially. I suck the sweetness of the gomamelas because I choose to take in beauty alone. What matters more now is I can easily exhale any strained pollens in my soul. You are lovingly proud of me now